Mercedes-Benz F015. Luxury in motion. The Mercedes-Benz F015 is a groundbreaking autonomous vehicle. It redefines personal mobility. Unveiled at the 2015 Consumer Electronics Show, this futuristic sedan features a sleek design. Inside, it offers spacious, lounge-like interiors. The car has 4 rotating seats, allowing passengers to face each other. This setup encourages interaction among travelers. The F015 is equipped with advanced LED lighting and a suite of cutting-edge technologies. It seamlessly combines comfort and connectivity. This vehicle provides a glimpse into the future of autonomous driving. It emphasizes the importance of relaxation and interaction while on the move. In summary, the Mercedes-Benz F015 represents the future of luxury transportation. It focuses on both style and innovative technology. Avvenire Leggera. Avvenire Leggera is an exceptional all-electric vehicle. It is designed to dominate both urban roads and off-road trails. With a powerful 7 kWh battery, it reaches impressive speeds of up to 80 miles per hour. Weighing in at 518 pounds, it combines a lightweight design with robust performance. This makes it agile yet stable. The vehicle features a cutting-edge all-wheel drive system. This enhances control and traction, allowing for confident handling on various terrains. Its innovative front-end wheel motors ensure seamless acceleration. Additionally, the adaptive suspension lets drivers customize the ride height. This feature provides optimal comfort and capability on both on-road and off-road settings. For reliable stopping power, the Leggera is equipped with 3-wheel disc brakes. In summary, the Avvenire Leggera is a thrilling choice for adventurous drivers. It offers versatility and performance, making every drive an exciting experience. BoomerBuggy Split. The BoomerBuggy Split, priced at $1,999, is an outstanding mobility solution for those who need portability without compromising performance. Powered by a 300W motor and a 24V 20A lead-acid battery, it offers a smooth and reliable ride. It can easily handle loads of up to 275 pounds. What makes this scooter stand out is its innovative disassembly function. It breaks down into easily transportable pieces, making storage and transportation simple. Its foldable design and lightweight sections further enhance portability, perfect for users on the go. The BoomerBuggy Split also features an LCD display, providing essential information like battery life and trip duration. With a charging time of 6 to 8 hours and a battery lifespan of around 300 cycles, this scooter is practical and user-friendly. In summary, the BoomerBuggy Split is a smart, affordable choice for dependable mobility. It combines portability, performance, and ease of use, making it ideal for daily travel. CycloTech CruiseUp. The CycloTech CruiseUp is an innovative vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicle that uses advanced cycloidal rotor technology. This technology, known as cyclorotors, provides precise control, enhanced stability, and efficient thrust in multiple directions, making it perfect for urban air mobility. The CruiseUp is designed for short-range flights, focusing on busy urban environments where traditional aircraft and ground vehicles struggle with congestion. Its compact design allows it to operate in tight spaces, such as small landing pads on rooftops or parking lots. The cyclorotor system offers superior maneuverability, enabling vertical takeoffs, landings, and hovering capabilities. CycloTech places a strong emphasis on sustainability and efficiency in the CruiseUp's design, which is expected to be fully electric. With its forward-thinking technology and compact design, the CycloTech CruiseUp offers a smart solution for urban transportation challenges. Honda Riding Assist. The Honda Riding Assist is a groundbreaking motorcycle that highlights Honda's cutting-edge rider assistance technology. First revealed at CES 2017, this concept bike is designed to improve rider stability and reduce the risk of low-speed falls through its self-balancing system. What sets the Honda Riding Assist apart is its ability to maintain balance without using gyroscopes. Instead, it adjusts the front fork angle and makes subtle steering corrections to keep the bike upright, even at very low speeds or while stationary. This innovative technology comes from Honda's robotics expertise, originally developed for the Asimo robot and the UniCub personal mobility device. Additionally, the bike can autonomously follow the rider at walking speed, demonstrating its advanced balancing abilities. Though still a concept, the Honda Riding Assist represents a major step forward in motorcycle safety and rider confidence, especially for newer riders. Hoverboard DGIST X KAERI. Scientists from the South Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute and the Daegu Jongbuk Institute of Science and Technology have created the first hoverboard that operates on any surface. Before this breakthrough, the Lexus hoverboard was the only similar device, but it could only work on metal surfaces due to its reliance on superconductors acting like magnets. This new electric hoverboard from South Korean researchers not only flies over all surfaces but is also much more maneuverable than previous models. It's designed to be highly portable and even capable of carrying heavy loads with ease, making it a game-changer in hoverboard technology. Monotrack bike. The monotrack bike is a novel toy designed to give riders the thrill of a unicycle. It features a single large wheel powered by an electric motor, offering a unique and exciting riding experience for both kids and adults. The latest models come with improved stability controls. This makes it easier for beginners to balance and ride. The bike also has adjustable speed settings, allowing riders to customize their experience based on their skill level. Safety is a priority, with an enhanced braking system and a durable, lightweight frame. For better visibility, the monotrack bike is equipped with LED lights. It also has a digital display to monitor speed and battery life. The extended battery life provides longer ride times, making it perfect for extended play sessions. This innovative toy is gaining popularity for its blend of fun, safety, and cutting-edge technology. Mystic Powerboats M4200. The Mystic Powerboats M4200 is a high-performance center console boat that masterfully combines speed and comfort. Powered by 4 Mercury Racing 450R engines, it reaches thrilling speeds of over 86 miles per hour, delivering an adrenaline-pumping experience even in rough seas. The M4200 features a Kevlar-reinforced, double-stepped hull, ensuring exceptional lift, stability, and spray deflection for a smooth ride in challenging conditions. It is designed with plush seating and an integrated carbon fiber hardtop, prioritizing both comfort and safety. For added protection during high-speed adventures, the boat includes wind dams and an aviation-grade windshield. While its 300-gallon fuel capacity is slightly less than some competitors, the M4200 stands out with its remarkable performance and luxurious features. In short, the Mystic Powerboats M4200 offers an exhilarating and refined boating experience for those who seek both speed and style on the water. Segway UT10 Crew. The 2024 Segway UT10 Crew is a versatile utility vehicle built for both work and adventure. Powered by a 1000cc parallel twin DOHC 4-stroke engine, it delivers an impressive 105 horsepower and 70 pound-feet of torque, making it a great off-road performer. The vehicle features adjustable electric power steering, dual A-arm suspension, and 13 inches of ground clearance, ensuring smooth handling on various terrains. With a payload capacity of 1,500 pounds and a towing capacity of 2,500 pounds, the UT10 Crew is ideal for heavy-duty tasks. For added convenience, it comes equipped with a 10.4-inch infotainment touchscreen that offers real-time telemetry, a reverse camera, and integration with the Segway Smart Moving app, enhancing the overall user experience. Super73 C1x. The Super73 C1x electric motorcycle combines speed, range, and innovation for both beginners and experienced riders. With fast charging technology, it charges from 10% to 80% in under 15 minutes. This makes it perfect for city commutes or long-distance rides. The C1x reaches speeds of over 85 miles per hour and offers a range of 100+ miles, which can be extended to over 150 miles. It also features regenerative braking, which helps extend the battery life. For safety, the motorcycle comes with LED lights and daytime running lights, ensuring visibility at all times. Its lightweight build, targeted at under 300 pounds, enhances maneuverability. It supports various power levels and meets different legal classifications, making it versatile for riders worldwide. Additionally, The Super73 C1x is compatible with existing EV charging networks. This makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking both performance and convenience in an electric motorcycle.